Taking the metro to Santo Domingo on rush hour, baby. My boy from Memphis, my dog from Miami, and my Colombian people here. Look. Acevedo rush hour. So we had to get out from the taxi because too much goddamn traffic. Look at this. The Rio Colombia right here. The Rio Medellin, I mean. Crazy this shit is, bro. God damn. Look at this. God damn. I think we could go through here. What? What? Santo Domingo around 6:52. We gotta kill some clock, some time. Yeah. Cause you see all these people right there? That's why they're waiting for a motorcycle. That's a motorcycle we're gonna take. Oh. So we gotta go. We're not that. There's a lot of fucking people.
We just came at a bad time.
Huh? It's not that. It's not a bad time. It's just we gotta chill for a little bit. You in a hurry?
No, no.
Yeah?
No.
We gotta chill.
I'm comfortable. I'm good. Actually feel good out there. I wonder what it's a good video for money. I wonder how much it is here a month. Yeah, I gotta learn that. I maybe get some girls some money around here, get some money circulated. Stop selling pussy.
Maybe like businesses, like restaurants.
Yeah.
Tell them, hey, we can get gringos in this
Right.
business. Show we.
It would be nice to have customers out here like 1,000. I'm supposed to be rich, y'all. I'd be in the VIP of the club every night. With a bed in the VIP.
You right here, that's a motorcycle.
Just tough. Look, they got a place right here to play pool, and they got a place right here.
You know the gym downstairs is a pool place. Huh?
Yeah. The pockets. Walk a little bit more.
I've been to Bejo before.
Yeah.
It was kind of like, not like this, but it was a lot of people out. I was for Ireland.
right there. Yep.
Good, y'all speak Spanish.
What time is it? What time is it? Oh, it's early as fuck. We gotta kill more time. I think my leg hurts. 7:25 right here in Santo Domingo on a Tuesday night. God damn, motorcycles everywhere for this bitch. Look at all this traffic right here, bro. Look at this fucking traffic still, bro.
Down there.
Huh?
There's a lot of buses.
Yep.
There's a lot of people trying to get home, huh?
Yep.
They look like it too. They're tired as fuck.
I guess that's a lottery shit. Yeah.
Que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo.
Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en tentación y líbranos del mal. Amén.
A lot of traffic, bro. Fried chicken like always everywhere, man. Huh? Yeah. Bro, what's up with this traffic, bro? I thought right here it's not moving. Yeah. Like that shit.